Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Today we're looking at a short story, and we have established that a short story is an essay that is meant to entertain. We said that a short story has 6 elements: plot, character, setting, theme, descriptive language, and point of view. Now, like any essay, if you have been watching these tutorials, you realize IPWA, I-P-W. First, you interpret a question before you begin to write anything in your essay. Then you plan your essay. Then you write your essay. I-P-W. So let's begin with the I, interpreting a question. This is a fresh question. This question came in the June 2012 CXC English A exam. Thank you, CXC, for this great question. And it goes like this. My people were special to me. I had to warn them that a storm, such as they had never seen, was coming. Write a story beginning with this sentence. This is the first sentence in your story. Now, like any question, let's see if we can pick out the main words. As a matter of fact, the main word today. If I ask you to look at this question and choose the main word, what would that word be? Yep, that's it. A storm, storm. Most of us know what a storm is. Wind and rain and so on. But they say here, a storm such as they had never seen. So, when you look at other words, important words, never seen. And of course, who has never seen this? His people who are special to him. And what does he have to do? Warn them. Now, this question can be interpreted in a few ways. Is the storm a physical hurricane, or is it some other disaster, natural or man-made? It can be whatever you want it to be, because they had never seen that kind of storm before. So you can create whatever story you want to. Is the story set in the future, where there's some kind of nuclear storm, or is it set in the past, where the storm can be physical or even an invasion? It's up to you. So, we have picked out the main words. This guy has to warn his people about a storm that they have never seen. Okay? So, this question already begins to give us a stimulus for the 6 elements of story. 1, the start of our plot is here already. A storm is coming. The story is going to be about him trying to warn his people about the storm. 2, character. I. So you are the main character, which is linked to point of view. First person narration. So already this question has given us the start of our plot, the main character, and the point of view. Setting. Is it going to be future, past, present? You decide according to what you want to write about, what the storm is going to be. Okay? In terms of theme, what's the main idea behind the story? He is going to warn his people. He is going to be a hero. Maybe he's going to be brave. So already, we have a theme being established in the story. And of course, the language will tell the story, make it descriptive for the reader. Very simple. So, step 1 in an essay, always interpret your question. IPWA. Next, we plan the answer to this. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com. I'll see you soon.